Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to turn your smart video and audio on and off for your JBL Tune 520BT headphones. So, in order to do that, grab your phone, open up your JBL headphones application, and now in the main menu, scroll down until you'll see your smart audio and video section. Turn the switch on, give it a few seconds to load up. Now you can easily switch between audio mode and video mode. Just simply click on it and give it a few seconds to load up. So the audio mode is better for music and podcasts. It gives sound a clarity and some depth. And video mode enhances sound perception while watching movies, making dialogues and sound effects clearer. So I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and have a great day.